Hey guys, it's Gentry here. I want to give you a quick tip on how to hold a baby during breastfeeding. This is not really a breastfeeding tutorial or anything like that, but it's more of how to place your hands so you can move the baby like you need to. It can be kind of awkward at first. So, my girl is kind of big, but first of all, I really like a boppy pillow or my best breast friend pillow, some sort of pillow. But, what I like to do is say hi, Cohen. So she's 11 months, so she's a little bit big, but I'll kind of give you an idea on how to do it. I like to put them across like this. This position is my favorite kind. But a lot of people try to hold, if I'm feeding on this breast, they try to hold in position with this hand. I like to bring my hand around on the back side, put your thumb and your fingers kind of around. Look how much control I have of her. I can move her however I want. Of course, she doesn't like it right now because I'm moving her all around, but hey, it's okay. But if you put your hands there, kind of on the base of her head, you've got hold part of her upper back here. You can move their head however you want, and you still have good control of their neck and support there for them, okay? So across your body. So you're using the opposite hand of the breast you're trying to feed on. See, I've just moved her however I wanted. This hand, I don't need to do anything with it now that she's older, but as a newborn, you might have to kind of shape your breast with this hand in order to guide it to her mouth or hold it a certain shape so it can fit inside her mouth. But again, this is my favorite way to hold a baby right here. All right, thanks guys.